Hey, good morning vlog. Today we're here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay to celebrate that I'm actually launching merch. It's the first peak of the merch, but we're gonna try to ride all roller coasters here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay to celebrate that I'm launching a merch. And also, I haven't been here since January, so I'm kind of excited to be back here. I'll see you guys when I get in the park. Made it in the park. It's currently 10:00. I'm gonna head to the park's intimate blitz coaster, Cheetah Hunt. Cheetah Hunt is a cute and fun coaster that's meant for family drills. So I'm gonna go on that, and normally it draws out a longer line throughout the day, so I'm gonna head that ride first. It feels good to be back in this park. I miss it. This is actually one of my favorite parks. The Epic Universe is my current favorite, and Islands Adventure is my second favorite, but this is one of my favorites because of roller coasters. Not because of operations, because of the coasters itself. It's one of my favorite parks. I'll see you guys when I get to Cheetah Hunt. Well, I haven't seen Cheetah Hunt actually run yet, and I'm right next to the track right now, so I'm kind of concerned about it. And it's actually open. It's not open, it looks like. It's on delay opening. So I'm actually gonna head to Montu since it's on delay opening. Or Cobra's Curse, actually, I'm gonna head to, since that's another one that generates a long line. And it's right over down this way next to that area. So I don't wanna waste any time today. The wait time is currently a 5-minute wait, and that's their mock spin coaster with 3 different elements. So I can't wait to be back here. I actually love the Busch Gardens Tampa's roller coaster, so I'm looking forward to being back here finally. But I'm gonna put you guys in the locker, and I see after I get off of this ride right there, Cobra's Curse. So Cobra Curse is still posted at a 5-minute wait. Despite the sign saying 5-minute wait, the ride's actually closed. So we're gonna head to Montu. And that's actually the first ride I did last time I came here because of the same situation happened with Cheetah Hunt being down and Cobra's Curse being down. So we'll go on Montu first, I guess. The good news, I see Montu running off in the distance, so that's a good start. So we'll definitely be able to get on Montu, it seems like, since I just saw that it's a trim break over there. Alright, now it looks like Cobra Curse is opened up, so I'm gonna head on Cobra Curse now. It's opened up. There's no line, I'm gonna say this is actually a real snake inside this thing, and Cobra Curse is here. My power grows. So Cheetah Hunt is, I'm not sure if it's open, but that's where I'm gonna head next. But Montu and Cobra's Course was very, very fun. I enjoyed both of them a lot. But that back row on Montu is just insane to begin with. In Cobra Curse, you don't know which way you're gonna spin until you get the ride. I can head to Cheetah and see if it's opened up yet. Cheetah Hunt is actually a 30-minute wait. I'm gonna use my one-time quick. Oh, never mind. There's actually a line for the locker. So I'm actually gonna go on Iron Gwazi's then. My favorite in the park, personally, because I don't feel like waiting 30 minutes and waiting for a locker at the same time. And I do have the one-time quick queue I can use anytime, so I'm gonna do Gwazi now. Looks like Gwazi is open with harbor operation because I haven't seen train dispatch since I got here. They do have people loaded in the train that I can see from here. So I can get in this line and wait out now, honestly. It shouldn't be that long, the line, if I know this. The thing problem is, it doesn't take long to load, just how they operate this thing, it just takes them so long. Remember that correctly, if I remember that correctly. It's a good as hell roller coaster, just that it takes so long for them to operate it. It's very, very fun to ride. Before, when I run to Six Flags Great Adventure, I was complicated between this and Velocicoaster every time I ride each one, before what my favorite is. Currently 65-minute wait. This queue is actually in the shade, so I'm gonna wait out just because of that, actually. I'm in the queue for Gwazi right now, trying to see how long it actually is. I still haven't seen the train dispatch, even though it has people loaded on there. You can normally see it from like right here, so that's the track. I was hoping to come in here before school gets out in Florida, it'll be less padded. That doesn't seem the case, but I'm still here having fun. I'm gonna ride one of my favorite roller coasters, Iron Gwazi. An hour and 10 minutes, just for them to say no, I cannot go on it pretty much. Yeah, they wouldn't push me down all the way like they normally do, so this kind of got me annoyed. Yeah, this had me annoyed pretty much. I waited an hour, 10 minutes because he refused to push down all the way. And I fit on it, of course, because I fit on it last time I went here and I'm staying wait since then. So it makes no sense whatsoever. And now I'm gonna go over to the Air Grover, or Viper's Trail, whatever it's called here. The kiddie coaster. I'm not sure what company it's from. But all I know is this park has me annoyed right now. I'll go more into it when I get in the car. I love this park because the roller coaster lineup is amazing, but this park has me annoyed. That's all I gotta say. All right, I'm into Safari Fun, the Sesame Street section in the park, and it feels actually too hot in this section, but I'm gonna ride this coaster and get that credit for the year. In line to ride this coaster, there's no wait time up there, but this looks like it's gonna be a station wait. Ride on Air Grover wasn't that bad. It's better than the one that's in SeaWorld. But now I'm gonna make my way to Pantopia area for our Phoenix Rising and Falcon's Fury. I saw that operating already. So I'm gonna ride Phoenix Rising and Falcon's Fury right now. Actually, SheiKra is running, so I'm gonna go on SheiKra instead. So SheiKra is actually a 30-minute wait, so I'm gonna wait it out. The wait for SheiKra is actually down here, and it's never down here when I come here. So that's how you know it's busy. SheiKra is fun as all heck, but the problem is, that was a way too long of a wait, I felt like. Yeah, it was way too long to wait for it. It was fun, but I waited like over like an hour and like 5 minutes for it because it was on one train ops till like the last 3 cycles. But they eventually put it on 2 train ops. I was gonna ride Tigers, but I think it's down because it says 999 at the wait time. So I'm gonna make my way to the Jungala area to see what's going on with Kumba. I know the park president announced that they're reopening Kumba. Actually, I'm gonna go Pantopia. Yeah, I'm gonna go Pantopia instead. So I'm gonna go to the SheiKra, the park's intimate drop tower, Falcon's Fury, which in my opinion is the best drop tower in the world. So we're gonna head that direction to ride that. Apparently I had to go to Jungala to get to that section, so I'll show you guys the update in Jungala with the drop tower they're building here for kiddos. The update is that while Oasis is actually almost ready, but it's not fully ready, you can see like that's the play area over down there in the distance. There's a orangutan somewhere down here. I know they said they're in the media day, which I was not part of, that they're waiting for the animals to come delivered. So I'm gonna take a look at the drop tower now and see what status is. I'll bet it's a media day here for some reason, but I'll be invited one day to the one of the media day. But according to what the park president said, that they're waiting for the seats to come in to sometime in this week for that drop tower, and you can see it from where I'm at. That the bluish thing that you see in the distance is that drop tower. Now I'm gonna make my way to Pantopia, and this thing's actually new. The Tampa at Orange Cafe, or Rain Cafe, is new. I made it into the Pantopia section in the park. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is ride Falcon's Fury, because it's one of my favorite rides here. So I'm gonna go hop online to ride Falcon's Fury, that drop tower, right over there. We actually have a construction update on Scorpion. It's gone. It actually got demolished. It didn't get resold to another park. It's just a surpriser. I'm gonna go online to ride the best drop tower in the world, Falcon's Fury, and it has no weight pretty much, it looks like. All right, that ride in Falcon's Fury is very, very fun. I'm actually gonna skip the other ride. I forgot what it's called. The Phoenix ride I'm just gonna skip just because it's on one train ops and has a 20-minute wait. That ride only has one train ops though. So now I'm gonna go on to look for the park's SNS Screaming Swing, and I'm gonna go ride that. This park's actually called Serengeti Flyers. I forgot the name of it for a second. We're gonna walk that way and ride that. Well, Serengeti Flyers actually only posted at a 5-minute wait, so I'm definitely hopping on that thing. It's actually a very, 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 very fun ride. Very, very, very fun ride for not being a roller coaster. And I'll see you guys on the ride.
Bora, Du!
Fire is extremely fun, like normal. Like I said, it's one of the best flat rod models ever made. That and the Intimate Drop Tower that tilts. Well, I got two rods on it in Foxbury. One of them that didn't tilt, but one of that tilts. That's kind of crazy, that part, but this and the Intimate Drop Tower that tilts are like the two best flat rods I feel like the park could have right now. Now I'm gonna make my way toward the Cheetah hunt and use my one-time quickie for that. After that, I'm gonna be calling it a day since I wanted to ride behind a Squazzy. Squazzy, I just don't know what happened. I normally fit. I was weighed the same amount of weight last time and I just didn't fit. But I'll go more into that in my car. I actually only posted for a 10-minute wait for this crazy good Intimate coaster. So I'm gonna go put my stuff in the locker, use the one-time quick queue I have that's right over here. Well, I think I ended my rod day off perfect with Cheetah hunt because Cheetah hunt was just as fun as normal. Now I'm actually gonna film stuff for my shirt, for like B-roll, so I can film my advertising for shirts for my videos. Well, I'm in my car driving to Portillo's to get lunch, but I figure right now would be a good time to talk to you guys about what happened with Iron Gwazi. So recently, I looked into this after the employee told me that it was at the gate, but recently someone pushed down on the lap bar too hard. And supposedly someone couldn't breathe. So now they can't push down the lap bar overly hard like they used to for Gwazi. Which for me, one way it's a bummer, but I get it, it's a safety reason. If anything, this thing has just motivated me to get myself back together. I have been taking care of myself, I'll admit it. So this just means that everything's so it's inspired me to get myself back together, back to what I used to be. Before, I didn't need the extra boost to get on Iron Gwazi, so I want to get that. I just want to go back and lose weight again. I did gain like 20 pounds since September of last year. But I haven't gained anything since last time I came to this park. So I might need to focus on losing weight, but I'm gonna start that tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to Portillo's for lunch today. It's one of the best places in Tampa to eat, so I'm going there for lunch. But thank you for watching this video. You know, today did not go as planned. I still had a great time here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. But thank you for watching the video. I love you guys and see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, here's some bonus footage. It's currently 95 degrees outside, so I think after this vlog, the next couple vlogs will probably be water park vlogs because it's too hot to do like just going to the theme park, riding roller coasters, and riding their water rides. Because their water rides don't get you soaked like the other ones. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.